hope this reaches anyone as a story of chance, choice, timing, and connection. Understanding that without all of the things that happened, I never would have discovered me. So this is one of the many tales I have to tell about the things that I've actually experienced and now see in a different light as a grown woman. I don't know what it was about this particular morning, considering I had several weeks of them. But this morning, I stared out a window at a light sky, but the moon was still up, and thought, she's not coming back. I had been waiting for weeks for her to return. I never doubted that she would come back for me, not once, till right now. And even now, it's not a doubt. I know she's not coming back. It just changed from knowing one thing to now knowing another. I can walk out the door. No one will stop me. I'm pretty sure they don't even know I'm here half the time. I don't even have anything to take with me. Just go. And that is all that is occupying my mind now. Just leave. There was a school on the way in. We can go there. I got to the door and I opened it. It was so cold out. I remember Christmas lights on some of the houses as I walked the sidewalk in the direction of where I remembered the school being. I remember a big entryway, and I remember crawling behind a plant and waiting for someone to find me. It didn't take long. When it was really bright out, a woman came. She had keys in her hand and a bag. She was not prepared for what she walked up on, and I let her have it because I didn't know what else to do. I immediately sprung out from this bush, and I told her my name, and I told her I'm from Arizona, and I wanted to go home. And after some chaos of her trying to get us into the building and contact the right people, I finally remember feeling warm and safe. Looking back, I know the only reason they were able to find my grandmother was because of my grandmother. My grandmother was the church treasurer. Maybe she was their secretary. Either way, she gathered up all of the kids in the church who knew how to write, and we all helped her fill out envelopes with her name and its unique spelling and the church's address. I must have wrote it 10 to 20 times, maybe more, but I knew my grandmother's name and the address of our church. This happened a few weeks prior to my mother coming back and getting me and taking me out for this journey that was now ending with me reciting this information to people I didn't know. But I did know they were going to help me get back to my grandma. Now, I'm a 46-year-old woman who is able to look back at that 8 and 9-year-old little girl and acknowledge her courage, her strength, and her ability to survive. And without those other people, she would not have. From her grandmother, to the strangers at the school, to the foster home that housed her, to the flight attendants that helped her get from one plane to another. They all helped her, and I am grateful.